Hello friends, I welcome you all for the next lecture of the subject Infrastructure Engineering and Construction Techniques. So in last some lectures we had gone through unit number 4, that is tunneling. Under that we had seen the various functions of the tunnels along with the types. We had also studied the various types of tunnel construction methods. Now, after construction of tunnels, next point is the mucking. So, under this lecture, we will going to study the mucking and the various types of mucking. So, at the time of construction of tunnel, we have to excavate a ground, and whatever the excavated material is available on the tunnel site, that we have to collect, and that collected material we have to dump outside of the tunnel site. So the process of loading the excavated material and unloading that excavated material to the outside of the tunnel is called as a process of mucking. So in technical words, mucking and hauling refers to the operation of loading and removing excavated or blasted material and dumping that blasted or excavated material at the predetermined site. So removal of blasted debris, which is also known as spoil, from the tunnel interior to the sites outside the tunnel entrance is called as a mucking. So there are 4 types of method which are used for mucking. First method is the California crossing method. So here figure 1 shows California crossing, in which we can see a California crossing consists of a short double track assembly. Here we can see this is a short double track assembly. This is a one track and this is another track. And this assembly is completely welded into a unit with frogs and switches. Here we can see these are the frogs and switches that are used for movement or sliding of the track. The ends of the rails are tapered. Here we can see the ends of these rails are tapered so that cars can travel over the California crossing. That is, to and fro motion is obtained from the main track without difficulty. This switch is kept close to the muck loading area, and on one side loaded cars are passed out while empty cars promptly moves forward for the loading. So this California crossing can conveniently be used on 60 centimeter wide main track. So this is a normal track of 600 mm or 60 centimeter. Here we can see this whole assembly is taken on the excavated site. Here we can see this is a muck phase from which we have to collect the excavated material. This is a normal track, and here we can see the empty cars are sent from this track to this location. Here these cars are loaded with the excavated material. After loading, these cars are taken from this track to the outside of the tunnel entrance for unloading purpose. Means whatever the loading that is carried out at this site will be taken to the outside of the tunnel for emptying that car. After this, the empty cars are stored on this track, and this car again will pass to this location and the cycle repeats. So this is about the California crossing method. The next type is the grasshopper method. So grasshopper method consists of a long gantry with hinged ramps, and these hinged ramps are provided on both the sides. So here figure 2 shows a grasshopper method in which we can see a hinged ramps are there. This is a hinge ramp. Here hinge is provided. So empty cars are stored on the gantry top, and these empty cars run down the forward ramp in this direction. These empty cars are run, and after coming to this point, a hinge is operated because of the weight of the empty car, and because of which this ramp is taken to this position, and these empty cars will move for the loading of the excavated material. So after loading these cars with the excavated material, these cars are taken to this side for emptying these cars to the outside of the tunnel. After this, again the empty cars are taken from this ramp to this gantry top, and after this these cars are taken to the downward side for loading the excavated material. So after loading, again these cars are taken to the outside of the tunnel, and the cycle repeats till the excavated material is dumped to the outside of the tunnel. So here in this case, the loaded cars are moved away from the face on the normal track, and which are replaced by the empty cars under the gantry. The next method is the cherry picker method. So it is another type of an overhead track which lifts an empty car bodily from the normal gantry, and it moves its sideways when a loaded car can run beneath on the track, and the empty can set adjacent to the loading area. So here figure 3 shows cherry picker method. Here we can see this is a gantry girder which is provided along with the trolley. Here we can see this is a main beam of a gantry girder to which this trolley is attached. Here this is a tunnel floor, and here we can see a rail or a track is put for the movement of the cars. So here this trolley will be taken to the center, and this empty car is put on this track. Here it is loaded with the excavated material, and from this track it is sent to the outside of the tunnel. After this, when the car will get empty, it is lifted bodily from the normal gantry and moves it sideways when a loaded car can run beneath or below on the track, and the empty car can set adjacent to the loading area. So this is the working principle of a cherry picker method. The next type is generally used for mucking in steep grade tunnel. So where gradient of tunnel is 1:50 or steeper, in that case this method is used. The figure 4 shows mucking in steep grade tunnel. So here we can see a tunnel is constructed at steep slope. So this is a excavated material. Here we can see one port is provided. This is a chute and this is a car which is used for loading the muck, and this is a railway track which is provided for movement of this car. So here a wooden bulkhead, this is a wooden bulkhead with two opening is erected, and this muck is allowed to accumulate behind the bulkhead. So with the flow of gravity, this bulk will accumulate up to this bulkhead, and this will result in discharge of this material through this chute on the muck car. And after loading this muck to this loading car, this car will be taken to the outside of the tunnel for unloading purpose. So such type of method is used for mucking in steep grade tunnel. So this is about the various methods of mucking. Generally such methods are outdated and are not in use nowadays because variety of techniques are available, and these are the old methods. Therefore such type of methods does not find any applications nowadays. So with this we will stop here and will continue in the next lecture with next point. Thank you.